Hello students, welcome to our online teaching class of BPS Bolangir. Today I have come up with the very first chapter of economics, class 10. The name of the chapter is development. The name of the chapter is, the first chapter, that is the development. So you are not new about this chapter or about the economics, because in class 9th you have learned about economics. 4 chapters were there, and you have learned some things regarding economics. So now we will discuss about the concept of development and everything. So here I am asking you, development must be coming to your mind. The concept of development must be coming to your mind, but you may not express it. I feel that. For example, there is a person, there is a person, 6 years back he was walking on foot. He did not have a bicycle also. But after 6 months, he had purchased a bicycle. Matlab, from this point, we will be clear that he has developed to some extent. Okay, this is known as development. Development matlab the progress. So the idea of development or progress has always been with us. We have aspirations, we have desires, what we would like to do and how we would like to live, everything. Similarly, we have a lot of inspiration, we have a lot of expectation, desires in our life. What to do, what should be our family, what should be our sons and daughters, how we should maintain, how we should be like this. All these are the bits of development. What are the essential things that we require? Can the life be better for all? How should people live together? Can there be more equality? Development involves thinking about all these things. So these are known as development. So which we can work together achieving these goals. So development actually is a very complex task, and in this chapter we will discuss, we will come to know, we will make a beginning and understand about development. So what is development? Development refers to the growth of economy. Okay, development refers to the growth of economy along with the improvement in the quality of life of the people, like health, education, etc. This is the fine definition of development that is not available in your book. Please remind it. So development refers to the growth of economy. It is the growth of economy along with improvement in the quality of people. What sorts of improvement in the quality of people? Regarding our health status or educational status, etc. This is known as development. So here, what development promises different people, different goals. So different concepts of development are there. We will discuss one by one what development promises. What sorts of things we will expect from development. First point, different people, different goals. First point, different people, different goals. Definitely, it is obvious. Different people, different developmental goals. I am working in schools. My developmental goal must be different from you. The developmental goal of a poor person must differ from that of a rich person. So different developmental goals, different people, different developmental goals. So many people have many different goals in their life. Here, this term has been made clear to us through a table. Here has been given developmental goals of different categories. Look, thus you will come to know from your book. developmental goals of different categories of persons. Category of person, developmental goals, aspirations. Here are three examples. Landless rural laborers. What is the goal or developmental goals of the landless rural laborers? The developmental goals of the landless rural laborers, they will want more days of work. They will want more days of work, better wages, local school should be able to provide quality education to their children. There is no social discrimination, so that they too can become leaders in the village also. All these things the landless rural laborers must think, and this will be their developmental goals. We can take another examples also. Prosperous farmer from Punjab. Prosperous farmer from Punjab, they are agriculturally well developed. They produce huge quantities of grains. So they will want assured a higher family income through higher support prices. They will want more MSP, minimum support prices, so that they can good earning for their crops, and through hard working and cheap labors. Cheap labor should be available, and cheap labor should be available so that they can carry on their agricultural activities. They should be able to settle their children abroad. So all these are the different people, different developmental goals. For example, there is a girl from a rich urban family. There is a girl from a rich urban family. She gets as much freedom as her brother and is able to decide what she wants to do in life. In urban family, there is a girl, she gets as much freedom as her brother, no discrimination in it, and she is able to decide what she wants to do in the life. She will also she is able to pursue his study abroad. So from these discussions, we are clear that different people have different developmental goals. In fact, at times, two persons here are having, so other things also we can come to know. In fact, at times, groups of persons may seek things. In fact, at times, two persons or two groups of persons. Although we can compare two persons or two groups of persons. Here we can compare it. Okay, at times two persons or two groups of persons may seek things which are conflicting. How we'll come to know how these are conflicting. A girl expects as much freedom and opportunity. First, we will compare this by two persons. One is a brother, another is sister. A girl expects as much freedom and opportunity as her brother. Here, the girl also wants same. So a girl expects as much freedom and opportunity as her brother, and that he also shares in the household work. Her brother may not like this. Nowadays, you know it very well how the boys and girls are enjoying their lives, how they want, what is their willingness, what is their desire, you know. So a girl expects as much freedom as or opportunity as her brother, and she wants that her brother also contributes or share in the household activity. But she is very good. But on the other hand, his brother may not like, her brother may not like it. So here developmental goals differ between two persons, that is one boy and girls. We can compare it also to groups of persons, how this different developmental goals. Similarly, to get more electricity, for example, industrialist may want more tanks. Similarly, to get more electricity, industrialist may want more dams. so that they can run their factory, run their industry. But this may submerge. But if more numbers of dams are constructed, large number of land areas will be submerged, and the different poor people, the people will be displaced from that locality, that area, like tribals, so they might reject with it, so they may not agree with it, this, and they may prefer small check dams and tanks to irrigate their land. So in place of large dams, these tribal people or other people, they will require, they will want for small check dams, tanks to irrigate their land. But on the other hand, different industrialists, they will want large dams, number of dams to be constructed so that they can get huge amount of electricity and it will enhance their production in the industry. So in this way, conflicting. So from these discussions, we become clear that different persons can have different developmental goals. First point, different persons can have different developmental goals. Secondly, what may be development for one may not be development for the other. In this case, this creating of the making of the large number of construction of large numbers of dams, more numbers of dams, it is benefited to industrialists, whereas it is harmful to the other people. So in this way, so it may even be destructive for the other. So from this point, we came to know about 2 points. Different persons can have different developmental goals. Secondly, what may be development for one may not be development for the other. Sometimes it may be destructive for the others also. Thereafter, income and other goals. Incomes and other goals. You must have known one thing. Everybody thinks that if a person or if a family has huge amount of money, that family is happy family. That family is very good family. That family is prestigious family, everything. So it is the common, and it is common on the part of everybody that it is the common belief of everybody that if you have money and with the help of money, you can do everything. But not so. So we will discuss this point, income and other things. Income here refers to here implies that money and other things, other things, what other things we will come to know one by. So here, better wages and decent price for their crops. Everyone wants, people desire regular work, better wages, and a decent price for their crops. Only their sole intention was to increase their income so that they can lead a better life. They are thinking. But besides seeking more income, if we want to lead a happy life, if we want to lead a prosperous life, peaceful life, so besides income, we must need some other things. Those are people also seek other things like equal treatment, freedom, security, and respect of others. Other things, equal treatment, freedom, equal treatment, freedom, security, and respect of others. Okay, so besides income is not only the thing that can do everything. Besides income, people also seek things, or people want different things like equal treatment, freedom, security, and respect of others, so that they can lead a very peaceful life. They also need at the same time no discrimination also. all these things besides income, we the people want to lead a peaceful life. So all these are our income. This is other goals other than income. So here important than more income or more consumption, because this may be more, in fact, in some cases, these may be more important than more income. Matlab, these factors are much more important than our money. Okay, and here also more or more consumption also, because more income or more consumption. These factors are very much more important than our more income or more consumption. Okay, because material goods are not all that you need to live. But besides one thing, besides these material things, but some other non-material things also we need for our peaceful life or in order to lead a better life. Money or material things that one can buy with it is one factor on which our life depends. But the equality of our life also depends on, but the quality of our life also depends on non-material things. Okay, besides money, we also depend on non-material things that mentioned here, like equal treatment, freedom, security, respect of others, and absence of discrimination. Okay, so if it is obvious to you, just you may desire their friendship. Similarly, there are many things. So here, how it will be wrong to calculate what is that. Consider other example. If you get a, for example, now you are grown up one, you are the students of class 10, after 4 or 5 years or 6 years, again after completing graduations, then you will get also a job somewhere. So whenever you will get any job there, at that time you will decide everything, you will calculate before joining the job. Matlab, you will, what sorts of things you will decide? How much salary we will get first. You will calculate the salary amount. Then you will decide. Then you will decide about the structure of your work, the environment of your work, whether you will get freedom there or not, whether there is job security for it or not, whether there is a scope for the education of your children or not, whether there is you are getting leave for your family or not. And all these things, after discussing everything, then you will join in. Okay, so besides income, so we have to discuss it. We have to discuss a lot of other factors apart from income, such as facilities for our family, working atmosphere, opportunity to learn, everything. In another case, but on the other hand, in another case, a job may provide you less income. But if there are freedom there, if other facilities that I told you are available there, you might prefer this. Okay, so only income is not the sole factor, sole determinant to attract a person. Okay, so besides income, we have other goals also if we want to, which we take into considerations for our development. Okay, so all these are national development. Here, next point, national development. National development. National development मतलब the development of the nations. This is known as national development. If we sum up the income of every family, every persons of the nations, this is known as the national or a national income, that is. But national development, other things, that is the development of the nations. So here is a classroom, and in this classroom there are 36 students. So if I ask you, and if I want to know about your opinion regarding the development of our nation, then all these 36 students will give 36 different opinions about the development of our country. Yes or no? So in this way, so this is among the most likely you would find that different students in the class have given different answer to those So that must be, so it is very important to keep in mind that different persons could have different as well as conflicting notions of a country's development. Definitely. So from this point also, we will be clear that after cross discussing all the 36 different opinions given by you, we will come to know different persons could have different as well as conflicting notions of a country's development. So here another point, that is how to compare different countries. How to compare different countries or states. How to compare different countries or different states? Here is, we will get different notions regarding this. Okay, how to compare different countries or different states? It is it is very lengthy chapter. मतलब some on the basis of some criteria we will compare in the next class this much. So before in the next, that means in the next class we will discuss this how to compare different countries or states. In the next class we will discuss it. But before ending my class, I am giving you some important questions that you keep in mind. What is development? That different persons, different development, different people, different developmental goals. Explain the statement with example. Besides income, what sets of other goals are required for the different people? Goals may be different. What may be development for one may not be development for the other. It may be destructive for the others. What is the national development? All this much. And in the next class, we will discuss about how to compare different countries or states. Thank you all.